Bonjour. I received a lot of messages from some of my followers, especially those who visit my website to purchase items, especially teaching and learning resources, that the French Master app is not on App Store. That is for those who are using iPhone. Okay, so I've resolved that issue. Now the French Master app can be used on both Android and iPhone or iOS devices. So I'm going to show you how you are going to install the app on your Android and how to install it on iPhone. So let me go straight to my Chrome, my Google Chrome app. It can be any other browser, it will still work. So Chrome, it loads my Google, and I'll come here, I'll type thefrenchmastergh.com. Okay, so the first link that comes, I'll tap on it. Yeah, so it loads my website. So we have a lot of things on the website. We talk about the new updates very soon. Okay, so I'll go to the three dots at the top of my browser here. I'll click on it, and then I'll come to install app. After translate, I have install app. So I'll click on it, and they'll ask me to install the French Master. So I'll install. I'll wait. It's installing, so I'll wait till the prompt comes. So it say add to home screen, so I'll click on add. Yeah, click on add. So shortcut has been created. So then if I go back, I'll see the app now on my screen. So this is it. Let me click on it to launch. It's launching the French Master app and to load my website for you. So the website is now an app for you to use. Okay, so we'll talk about the website later. So
I'm Daniel from the French Master GH team, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to install the French Master app on your iPhone.
After launching my Safari browser, I'll type thefrenchmastergh.com, the arrow sharing icon, arrow down, and I'll click on it. And then to open up a menu, I'll scroll down, click on add to home screen, add to home screen. That's it. I'll click on it. Then it will load. Okay. And they'll ask me to add to home screen. So I'll just click on add, that's all. And then you see the app on my home screen. That's the app on my home screen. Yeah, so it's loading the website. The website's loaded. So on iPhone, it's very simple. Just 3 steps.